What's up, guys? Artist Dirty Donny Gillies here. I got some shag rug in from Ryan Kittleson. Now, Ryan collects vintage shag rug, the short shag that you would see in a custom van. So Ryan and I have been talking for a long time about shag rug as I need some for my studio and my house. Ryan had put some on his wall just like this, so I want to give a shout out to Ryan. Kudos for the idea. He recommended that I try it with this type of rug. He said, I have a lot of this extra rug. If you would like it, you could do it to your house, and that's what I'm doing. So Ryan, thank you for the shag rug, and shout out. It's almost done. I mean, it's pretty much done. I have to do a shelf or two, but like, here we are. We got the studio's complete. Today's video, I'm gonna install shag rug. Now, what you're gonna need for shag rug installation is a staple gun that is air compressed or electric, high pressure. You're gonna need a hammer, some nails, some help, and a carpet cutter. There's the links below to get everything. So go grab the links, and you are watching Donny TV. Thanks for liking. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to be notified when my shows come up. All the likes and comments help me so much with the algorithms. Thanks for watching. Carpet got here, so I'm gonna open it and check it out. Looks like it's been through the ringer a bit, but Ryan packed it pretty good. So vintage shag rug, right on. Let's open it. Looks really good to me. Vintage shag, digging it. It came out nice. I gotta give it a vacuum and maybe air it out a bit, but it smells great. It looks good. It's a little flat, but right on. Can't wait to get this up on the walls. What do you think?
I think it's amazing. It's beautiful. Can't wait to see it in the room.
Oh, we got another. It looks like we got more artwork from Nora S. Cool. Thank you, Nora. And I forgot to roll the camera, but here it is. We got it up, and I'm gonna staple it like crazy. There it is.